Hey girls and guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Kilts chalk paint. You can find this chalk paint at Walmart. I'm using these gray variations as well as the Kilts clear wax. Hey girls and guys, sorry if I sound kind of crazy. I am sick right now with the flu. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you girls and guys how I repurposed this old desk from my son's bedroom makeover I did in my apartment. This desk is actually from Walmart. It was super affordable. I will leave it linked below. As you can see on the top of the surface, I've scraped it up with some sandpaper just to give it that wood effect. When I apply my 2 coats of chalk paint, I'm going in with the gray granite chalk paint for this as a base coat, and then I'm going to go ahead in with my white detail paint as the shader to create a weathered wood look. After I went ahead and scraped it up with the sandpaper, I went ahead and sprayed it down with my water bottle and wiped it really good so that way it could not have any dust particles on it when I go ahead and apply the chalk paint. So I'm going to go ahead and let that air dry, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I have my 2 coats of chalk paint applied. Like metal, they're little metal, cheap metal legs, so it'll adhere. Chalk paint adheres to almost any surface. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the whole thing with the gray. Okay, so this is how it's looking after I went ahead and applied my 2 coats of the granite. I did it on the front and the back. I forgot that no one's going to really see the back of this table, but I still decided to go ahead and paint it all over. So any of the spots that you see peeking, I still went ahead and repainted all of those parts and coated it really well where you couldn't even see any of the metal or any of the black table poking or peeking through. And it was coated really nicely and it picked up really well on that texture. I also added some texture by tapping my brush as well. And now I'm going to go in with my coats of my white, and yeah, this is after I went ahead and totally coated it with the granite. It looks really good, fully coated, as you can see. And now going in with those detailed brush strokes on the next clip. Okay, so the next step is for me to take my Kilts clear wax, and I'm going to use that all over the table. I'm going to be using a lint-free dust cloth to rub this all over the desk. This product is really easy to use, and you just smooth it on like lotion, and it really just seals in all of your hard work. After that, I'm going to be using my favorite product off camera. It is the copper gilding wax. As you can see, it gave it a really nice look as I was going for it because the legs of this table is metal. I wanted it to not only have a weathered wood look, but I also wanted it to look rusty, like when stuff has like acid, rust, and you know, it's rusty and old. So I wanted it to look rusty and old, and basically I think this was perfect because the copper really gives a good rusty color. So now I'm going to be taking some old marble contact paper that I had from my old bathroom makeover in my apartment from like 2-3 years ago. It's been so long I done had this paper, that's why it's so crinkled, as well as some copper foil that I got from a local craft store. And basically I just flattened out that freaking marble contact paper until I could get most of all the wrinkles out. It is so old, like I said, guys, so some wrinkles were still left in it. And yeah, this is the only angle I could really record at without my tripod, and the wind was blowing so hard it was knocking it over. So sorry about this angle, but basically y'all know how I apply the contact paper, and it was really simple because it was in the right shape and the right size. I only had to cut off a small excess amount, and then after that I went in with my gold foil paper, well, the copper foil paper, and that's when I made a border around that marble to create a type of like cute little frame design. And I thought that was really cute, just to put that that border around that contact paper just to finish it off. As you can tell, it was a little wrinkle on top of the marble paper, but I have a plan for that later on in the video, so just keep on watching and make sure you guys thumbs up the video if you're enjoying it so far. As you can see, I also added some more of that marble contact paper I had left over underneath of the desk right there. It's so cute. So do you girls and guys remember the clear shoe shelves I used in my bedroom makeover, my New York inspired bedroom makeover video? Well, these are those shelves, and I'm going to be using them as my tabletop. I'm going to be using 3 of the pieces to create this really cool looking tabletop that also looks like wood planks to me. Yes, and this is how it looks after I add all 3, and it is so nice looking. It makes the desk look more expensive and professional to me, and it also adds protection to this desk because I'm going to be using this desk as my nail art desk where I do my full set of nails at. So I absolutely love this desk. It is really nice, especially with this glass tabletop that I customized to it, and I really love it. It is really good for protecting that marble contact paper from getting dirty and any dust getting in between the cracks, because I'm going to be using a towel also when I'm doing my nails. So it's just an added protection, as well as it looks really nice, and it matches my little desk, my makeup desk, perfectly. So it's so cute. It actually looked like it came in a set or something. I absolutely love this corner of my room now. And yes, I can't wait to show you guys some more of my DIYs that I did. I also did decide to go ahead and create a little nail art holder out of this old picture frame. So if you girls and guys are interested in seeing, and if you're interested in that, make sure you do leave me a comment down below and thumbs up the video telling me that you want to see it. Also, stay tuned for some more DIYs using this chalk paint, you guys. I'm obsessed. And yes, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you girls in my next one. XOXO, deuces.